2. Logistic regression model and interaction p-value. Let's open the R script from script directory, and the name of code is logistic regression step. Remove list equals ls to start with a clean slate by removing all existing objects from the R environment. Prevents data or settings from previous sessions from affecting your current work. Loop through packages for package in packages. The for loop iterates over each element in the PAGS vector. Each element represents the name of a package. Model 0. WW1GP2 refers to the concern about work persisting even after work hours are over. I'll refer to this as worry about work at home for simplicity. Dat 1% generalize linear model, GLM. This line indicates that the generalized linear model, GLM, the %% is a pipe operator used to pass the left-hand side object as to the right-hand side function. Data equals dot refers to the dataset passed from the left side of the pipe. In this case, it's D a T1. Family equals binomial specifies that the model should use a binomial distribution, appropriate for binary response variables, for example, yes or no, success or failure. Formula equals sleep GP equals 1 sleep disturbance as worry about work at home plus short return defines the model's formula. It models the probability that sleep GP equals 1 sleep disturbance as a function of the predictor's worry about work at home and short return. This is model 0, which does not include an interaction term. How does it differ from the subsequent model 2? Model 1. Mutate int equals interaction, short return, worry about work at home. Adds a new column into the dataset, which is the interaction term of short return and worry about work at home. The rest of the line is similar to model 0, fitting a GLM model. However, this time, the model uses only the interaction term, int, as the predictor. Purpose of the models. Both models are trying to understand the relationship between sleep disturbances, sleep GP and other variables, worry about work at home and short return. Model 0 investigates the individual effects of worry about work at home and short return on sleep disturbances. Model 1 investigates the combined effect, interaction, of short return and worry about work at home on sleep disturbances. Let's take a closer look at both Model 0 and Model 1. You can do this by employing the summary function and the oddsFtab function. The oddsTabF function generates a table displaying the odds ratio and its 95% confidence interval. In Model 1, both worry about work at home and short return individually correlate with sleep disturbance. Additionally, there's a combined effect of worry about work at home and short return on sleep disturbance. The odds ratio for this combined effect is notably higher than the sum of the odds ratios for the two variables separately. Consequently, we conducted a likelihood ratio test using the Elm test library where the interaction's p-value is found to be below 0.1. This indicates that there is a statistically significant interaction between worry about work at home and short return in relation to sleep disturbance.